Today on Overthinking Eurovision, I take a surreal journey to the very heart of madness and obsession. No, seriously, that is what happens. Well, we are in the home stretch of our Eurovision coverage, and we've seen many strategies for victory. Some countries try to make us dance. Some countries try to inspire us. Some countries are Romania. But the Dutch have a rather unique strategy, creeping people the hell out. The Netherlands was one of the first 7 countries that started Eurovision, and they've only missed 4 contests ever. But for the last 8 years in a row, the Netherlands has failed to qualify for the finals. That's a Eurovision record. And so what everybody wants to know is, can they extend that streak by failing to qualify for the finals again? I am here to tell you, yes. Yes, they can. They really, really can. Every country posts a video of its song on the Eurovision YouTube page. Some are live performances, some are slick music videos. The Netherlands has apparently posted a video of its singer in the recording studio taken on a grainy webcam. And it's not even the correct aspect ratio. And check out how it begins, guys.
Je kan hem aanzetten, wacht even hoor. Ja, ik zit er goed voor.
Hey Netherlands. There is this futuristic technology called editing that allows you to remove the parts of the video that people don't really need to see. Observe. Ta-da! This took me like an hour to do, guys. But never mind the video quality. It's the song itself that really disturbs me.
Isolated from the outside, clouds have taken all the light. I have no control, it seems my thoughts wander all of the time.
It sounds like something from a Tim Burton movie. I'm expecting Helena Bonham Carter to sing it in a gallon of pancake makeup. And when she gets to the chorus, the hairs on the back of my neck start to stand up.
Birds falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no ride.
That's the chorus of the Netherlands Eurovision song, Birds Falling Down the Rooftops. It's like some premonition of the apocalypse. The only thing that could make this song any creepier is if you somehow added a children's chorus. Oops, wait a second.
To a place without fear, with no moonlight. All I need are trees and flowers and some sunlight.
Oh great, now I'm gonna have some Japanese horror nightmare about some pale little kid whispering the lyrics to me.
Falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops. No. Nowhere. I can read your mind. I can see your bones popping out individually, one by one. Every one. Every one.
Despite the impression that this review might be giving you, I actually kind of like this song. Or at the very least, I respect it for trying something different. The last thing this contest needs is another Celine Dion impersonator. But if this song qualifies for the finals, I will be very surprised.
Is het wat?
Huh. I wonder what the lyrics mean anyway. Well, it's not like I'm gonna lose any sleep over it. What does it mean? What does it mean?
Birds falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops.
No air, no air, no air.
No air.
No air. It's not coming out. Of course. Birds falling down the rooftops. out of the sky like raindrops. No air. No air. No air.